In the race for the OLED throne, three titans are going head-to-head: LG, Sony, and Samsung. Are you ready for this showdown of giants in super high mega resolution? Best OLED TVs 2023-2024, LG versus Sony versus Samsung. Number 7, LG A2 OLED. Attention bargain hunters and tech lovers. Entering the OLED world without fainting at the price is possible with the LG A2 OLED. Available in 48, 55, and 65 inches, this TV is like a 3-flavor ice cream cone. A perfect option for everyone. No, it won't break records with its 60Hz refresh rate and 3 HDMI 2.0 ports. But who needs speed when you have so much style and reliability? Plus, its different sizes can fit into your living room like the final piece of the puzzle. It may not have the stellar brightness of its top-tier siblings, but when the little brother offers you a VIP pass to the OLED club for less than $1,000, it's easy to say goodbye to those minor details. The LG A2 OLED is the budget-friendly mate that guides you into the future of television without having to pawn your soul. Number 6, Sony Bravia XR-A80L OLED. Who said you need a separate sound system to have the best audio experience? The Sony Bravia XR-A80L comes as the music lover's best friend, offering not only a balanced solution in every aspect, but also the best sound quality in its class. Available in 55, 65, and 77 inches, the Sony Bravia XR-A80L proudly stands in the mid-high range lineup, taking on the competition from LG and Samsung. What can you expect? Perfect blacks, infinite contrasts, and a combination of image and sound enhancement technologies that transform your living room into a personal cinema. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 4 HDMI ports, the A80L is a delight for both the eyes and the ears. So, if you're looking for a fantastic TV, well-balanced, and at a fair price of $1,400, Sony shows you it's possible to be at the top. Number 5, LG C3 OLED. If you're looking for a mid-range option with great image quality, the LG C3 OLED is a sure thing. As the latest gem in LG's C-Series, this TV comes in an impressive variety of sizes, from a compact 42 inches to a massive 83 inches. Just make sure it fits in your home. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, the LG C3 OLED is a solid choice for your video game nights and Netflix marathons at home. But what makes the C3 shine is LG's Evo OLED panel, a technological marvel that pushes this screen to reach 820 nits of peak brightness and cover 98.98% of the color spectrum. Incredible! However, its sound could be a bit better. Nevertheless, in terms of price and quality, this model is a surprisingly affordable alternative, with an average price of $1,450. In a nutshell, the LG C3 OLED offers a premium experience without emptying your pockets. Number 4, Sony Bravia XR-A95L OLED. Are you ready for a display of brightness and blacks that redefines the incredible? The Sony Bravia XR-A95L OLED comes in strong with its impressive combination of QD OLED, bringing together the best of two worlds: quantum dots for vibrant colors and exceptional brightness, along with OLED for perfect blacks and infinite contrast. Available in 55, 65, and 77-inch versions, this TV isn't just good, it's a visual feast with a 120Hz refresh rate. Moreover, thanks to Sony's Cognitive XR processor, every image turns into a masterpiece, with image and sound quality that will leave you amazed. The A95L not only deserves to play in the major leagues of the industry, but excels in several categories. However, its price of $3,000 is a substantial investment, especially with fierce competition from Samsung and LG. But if you're looking for the pinnacle in image quality and an unparalleled visual experience, the A95L is your golden ticket to the TV nirvana. Number 3, LG G3 OLED. If you're an OLED enthusiast who dreams of the brightness of a Samsung QLED, get ready to fall in love with the LG G3 OLED. Available in 55, 65, 77, and 83 inches. This technology chameleon offers you the deepest blacks and infinite contrast with a brightness that might make you need sunglasses in your living room. Every HDR scene will be so spectacular that you'll feel like a part of the movie. But wait, there's more! The G3 isn't just a genius on the screen, it's also a usability ace with LG's sleek smart platform, WebOS, and remote control that's very intuitive and easy to use. When you hang it on your wall, you won't just have a TV, you'll have a piece of futuristic art. To sum up, if you're looking for a TV that combines top-notch image quality, ease of use, and a design that turns heads, the LG G3 OLED is your ideal choice. Number 2. Samsung S95C OLED. In the race for the title of the best TV, the Samsung S95C OLED not only competes, but it also dominates the track. Available in 55, 65, and 77 inches, this QD OLED is a marvel for both gamers and movie lovers. When playing your favorite video games, this champion boasts a response time of only 9.2 milliseconds, ensuring lag-free gameplay. And when connected to a PC, what a surprise! The S95C delivers a 144Hz refresh rate, becoming a speed beast alongside AMD's FreeSync Premium Pro. But what about movie enthusiasts? This is where the S95C truly shines. With a color saturation of up to 141.5%, this TV takes color fidelity to another level. And in terms of brightness, it surpasses its predecessor, the S95B, by 30%, and nearly doubles the brightness of last year's LG OLEDs. So, if you're looking for an OLED that takes the crown in practically every category, the Samsung S95C OLED is the ultimate choice. This last thing I said is debatable because you still need to meet the... Number 1. Samsung S90C OLED. Crowning our list of OLEDs, the Samsung S90C is particularly special because it blends incredible quality in every aspect with an excellent price, making it considered the best TV for most people. Priced at $1,150, this QD OLED offers you the brightness you need to feel you have a little sun in your living room. And its sound turns every dialogue into a symphony. Available in sizes from 55 to 83 inches, the S90C is a marvel in connectivity and gaming, with its impressive 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, its Samsung Neural Quantum 4K processor is like a gourmet chef, refining every image to visual perfection. And when it comes to brightness, this bad boy surpasses 1,000 nits, leaving other OLEDs in the shade. Its sleek design and slim panel hide an arsenal of speakers that will envelop you in an unmatched immersive experience. So if you want to bring home the OLED king without breaking the bank, the Samsung S90C is the stellar choice. A true winner in every inch of its screen. That's it for the OLED world. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed the journey and subscribe for more tech adventures. Don't miss any updates. Ring the bell.